Now I'm going to show you how to get the URL metrics from Keywords Everywhere. So if you haven't put your Keywords Everywhere API key into the software yet, then you want to watch that other video. And again, it requires a paid Keywords Everywhere account in order to use this feature. And they're very, very inexpensive, and I highly recommend it. Usually people that do keyword marketing have access to that. But if you do, you just click settings and you go in and enter in your key. So what I want to do is an example here. Let's say, I'm just going to copy a keyword here. I want to do a tree. People also ask tree for this keyword, best software for. So let's do 3 levels. I'll just do 1 click per thing, and we'll just go ahead and click extract. So we're just going over and it's just extracting all the questions and clicking the people also ask questions and data mining out the questions. So let's just wait for this to complete here. And we can quickly see the tree here. If we just click that, and we can look at the tree of questions that we received. You can zoom in and zoom out and do all the good stuff as shown in the other videos. That's cool. So we got 36 questions, and you see we got the question, we've got the parent questions, the link title, the actual link itself. This is what we want to get metrics about, this actual link. How much traffic are these articles getting? Basically, that's what we can get from Keywords Everywhere. And this here is the actual answer to the question. So let's go ahead. All you have to do once it's integrated, it's very simple. Just come down here and go search volume, Keywords Everywhere, and then extract URL metrics for using Keywords Everywhere. So you do that, and it goes out and it grabs that data. So let's move this over a bit. And so now we can see for this particular link, if we sort here, so this one's getting, that's a Wikipedia link. So this one here, Tech Target, getting 52,000 visitors per month. And this column here are the number of keywords that are ranked for that particular article. So this is really powerful. And I decided to integrate that feature from Keywords Everywhere directly in the software, so it just makes it faster. Obviously, you could take these links and just do it in Keywords Everywhere as well, but it's just kind of easier to do it right in here. Now you have the data, and you can quickly do your analysis here and determine, go and research these articles and see, why they're getting so much traffic, and possibly, do an article that's similar to this, or use the rewriting features inside the software. So if you wanted to do something on this, you could right click and say, send question to the AI generator, or you can scrape that link, like scrape the content of that page, rewrite it for the AI browser. So you can do that as well. So there's a couple different options. I'm going to show this in other videos so you can see how to do that. But I just wanted to quickly show you how to get the URL metrics from Keywords Everywhere. Another thing I actually forgot to mention here in the video, when you use that feature for getting the URL metrics, it doesn't appear that it actually uses any of your credits for your Keywords Everywhere account, which is a bonus. So technically this feature, if you have a paid account or you have some paid credits, is not going to even use up your credits to get this traffic information. So let's just show that. So I'm going to bring up my Keywords Everywhere tool, and you'll see my amount of credits there. So I've put it off to the side into a notepad. You can see what it is to make sure it doesn't change. So what I'll do is I'll just close that, and let's go ahead and do that metrics again. So there we go. And so what I'll do is I'll just open up a new instance of the software here, and then we'll open up the Keywords Everywhere again and see if that number changed. So open it up. It's getting it. It stayed exactly the same, as you can see here. So it doesn't appear to use your credits, which is a bonus for using that feature within the software. And I did do a little bit more research. These data values are kind of estimated using internal algorithms and their internal database from Keywords Everywhere, but it's fairly good information to have. So this can definitely, like I said, help you try to pinpoint some of these articles that are producing some good traffic. Then you can go out and create something similar to try to dominate on your content.